Hello everybody and welcome back to another FX Setup technical analysis video edition. My name is still Damegalt from good old Germany in Stuttgart, and it's Tuesday the 3rd September 2013. Meanwhile 18 o'clock 47 Central European time. Okay, here we go. I want to give you a market commentary and then trading capability for the next 48 hours in the Forex, and I'm choosing here the Euro Australian dollar 5-minute chart, and it's trading at 1.4544, even at 18 o'clock 47 Central European time, or even 17:47 London or 12:47 in New York. Okay, here we go once again. Euro Australian dollar, I would prefer the short side, even cause before a while I uploaded also, or created, meanwhile uploading, a pound Australian dollar long position, so I would prefer Euro dollar as a sell opportunity, even to be tight or hedged in the Australian dollar for the next 48 hours, or maybe until the end of this week. Okay, why? Here from a technical point of view, or let me say before tonight, RBA came out with the minutes and police, and we saw here before the release here, Australian dollar tried to get lower, even Australian dollar, yes, but it seems like this week Australian dollar is still in a good upside trend. Even Australian dollar Euro Australian dollar lower. So it seems like that Australian dollar could be rising this week. Okay. I would, how to say? I would trade. So I would all in all trade here Euro Australian dollar short, and even hedge myself in the long position pound Australian dollar. So, okay. Here once again, from the technical point of view, why? The reason is pretty simple. Here we see the new month, and we saw here in the this week here we daily creating here, or created and still creating maybe here new lows. So I don't want to say that's it's a trend reversal in the Euro Australian dollar, but for the next 48 hours, or maybe until the end of the week, it could be even a lucrative trading capability. Okay, here we see also the high of last month, here, last week. If we zoom a little bit, maybe here the high of last week, on Wednesday last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here Friday, a temporary high. Here the high of last month in August, and then here we see the trend line is still intact, and we see here, even as I said before, here we created lower prices. So right here right now 145.45, the high was by 150. So relative sharp downside trend in the last few days. So and I would this shortly or midterm trend, I wouldn't trade against it. So, and if we analyze or try to figure out the development of this week, I created here also a downside trend, and here yesterday, or even before here, this pattern, if you want, or this development. Before the RBA came out here, we saw here this downside trend in Euro Australian dollar. Then as the data came out, or the release of the RBA. Nothing new. The Australian dollar strength is still, or is until right here, but now still intact. So it seems like that this week could be even a better week for the Australian dollar than for the euro. So I would still prefer here, or I would trend following here in euro Australian dollar. Yes, I wouldn't take here a counterpart. Yes, on contrarian position. Yes, how do you say in English? Okay, here here by the way also new monthly lows, monthly highs. Here we see the mid price of last month before. Here mid price of last month, and here the mid price also. And we see here maybe there's a bigger trend reversal, but it's the first week, 2 trading days, and I don't want to look. I don't want to make an outlook more than 48 hours or even until the end of this week in euro Australian dollar. Okay, from the purely technical point of view, we see here this downside trend. Here we saw the reaction while RBA release. Here the downside trend from the highs of last week or last month, and here the triangle. So still downside pressure around about 147. Here after the release we tried here to get up 1.46, but we also came out. So I would wait and here try to short euro Australian dollar even between 145.68, 146.90. So here it's 32 if you want, 32.19, 51 trading sideways space if you want, and I would even at 1.46 try to sell euro Australian dollar again into the end of the week. Okay guys, that's the trading capability for today. Maybe once again, euro Australian dollar 1.4554 right here right now. I would prefer the short side between 145.68, 13 pips above, and 146.19. So 51 trading space. Here I would prefer the short side and creating here even new lows at 144.99 should be the first target. Okay, from this point of view. All in all, thanks for spending your time watching my video. I will talking to you after Wall Street session tonight once again with a financial market FX setup. So have a great trading time until then, and have a great and a good morning, day or night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FX setup technical analysis video. Bye bye guys.